This one's for all the people them who are struggle every day. Seems like them can't find them way. Still have to give back. My kings and queens, is a girl Ali Bless, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'll be carrying you on a little journey in the country era, right in the smack of Senton, Ocherius, of course. So I'm going to Dunn'sRiver today, so we're going to vlog, and we're going to show you all of the niceness, and we're going to have a jolly time. Just stick with me. See you soon. I know that you don't think it's we go a separate way. I just reach Ochi. Just reach, we're not reach inside yet. So don't know. We're not going. So 9 o'clock come we're not going. We're not going. I want to know I'm going to eat. No, Mom, I'm tired. I take a vlog.
Ready? Ready?
Go, go, go. Hey, 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 hey. Go on, hey, go on, hey. Never catch Wow, the scenery nice though. Which money? Yeah. Favor. And drink it. No problem. The park, you know, that's all we paid for. Oh. Mel, how you feeling? How you feeling, Mel? Come, sis.
Auntie, let's come to the picture.
One night back home.
My God. Hey. No man, they're going to fit no watch out.
Try going to do it.
Yeah, yeah.
You same up there. Oh, you the flag.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you the flag.
Vlog. You don't show you what you do at daytime, video everything what you do.
I put it on YouTube.
And people watch it. People watch what you do.
I like me now.
Guys, as you can see me in the water, I'm gonna touch the falls yet. Not sure if I'm gonna do that part, but so far I'm having a great day. My review on the place, I've been here when we didn't have the social distancing and all of that. I've been here, and to me it's similar, just like the entrance You take your temperature, your and that's basically it. But I don't really see much changes. Yes, I don't see no social distance, to be honest. I don't see that, but I guess I keep my distance from people that I don't know and stuff like that. Nobody wearing any mask, which is kind of hard to do. Getting in the water and enjoy yourself and all of that. But yeah, I just keep my distance from everyone else and make sure me and my family is good. But as far as what I see, guys, as far as what I see, nothing has really changed that much. You understand? Nothing has changed that much. And I'm having a great time, so check on it later. Home. I had an exhausting day, but just came out of the shower, back home. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give it a ring, a ding, 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 ding. As I always say, God make only one you, and if it don't be you, who else will?